Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Kristen. Hello. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my May Facetory review and my June unbagging. So if you guys want to hear how May went and see what I got for June's bag, then keep watching. So Facetory is definitely my favorite subscription because I do wear a lot of makeup and skincare is super important, and I just really want to just take better care of my skin. So it's definitely worth it if you're into skincare, and I absolutely love it, and it's super affordable too. That is the great part of it. So Facetory, there are a couple different tiers that you could sign up. There's 3 different types of boxes you can get. The first one is their Forever Fresh, which is the one I get, and it's $8.90 a month, which is awesome. Then they have their 7 Luxe, which is $19.90 a month, and then they have their Luxe Plus, which is $34.95 a month. The Luxe Plus, I think you get a little more than just masks. In the Luxe, the 7 Luxe, you do get 7 masks. So it's 4 to 7 masks. So I just get 4. In the 7 Luxe, you get 7. And then the Luxe Plus is skincare plus the mask. So I think they're all really good prices. And like I said, $8.90 a month for 4 masks is super affordable. So if you guys want to sign up, I have a link down below in my description box, and I think you guys would really like it. The link I don't get anything for, just you should sign up because it's amazing. So my last review and unbagging, you may remember that I totally forgot how April went. Like, I forgot to write down every mask. I think it was just because I was so busy, but this time I wrote everything down and I wrote all my little notes for myself, and I'm just really proud of myself, okay? Because I just don't know what happened last month. I really don't know. So the first mask that we got in our May Forever Fresh was the Facetory Soothe Me Tea Tree Mask, and this retails for $5. This had an ampule in it, and I never had a mask that did that, and that was super fun to do. It felt really, really nice on the skin. You had to do the ampule first. You had to tap it onto your face, so you had to go like this, which is called tapoment. If you guys didn't know, it's a cosmetology term. You're welcome. And that just felt so nice and relaxing on the skin, and this mask smelled amazing. I really, really enjoyed the scent. It had a very minty, calming feeling, and I think that this really did help clear the skin. That was one of the things it was supposed to do, and this I would definitely repurchase. Another thing I forgot to mention is you can always purchase these masks on the Facetory website. I always have them linked down below if you are interested in purchasing any. The next mask is the POUT Chocolate Milk Mask, and this retails for $2.50. So I was really excited to try this mask because I always see people on Instagram using them, or I see other people get them in like subscription boxes or whatever, and this one I really, really liked. It smelled so nice and sweet, like in a good way sweet, because cocoa is one of the main ingredients in this mask. And it just, the actual sheet mask was really nice too. This one helped make your complexion smoother and brighter, and I felt like my skin felt really renewed and happy, like the card says your skin should feel. Next we have the Look at Me Cucumber Essence Mask, and this retails for $3. This one smelled way too cucumbery. I'm not really the biggest cucumber fan. I don't like the scent at all. And I think it really broke me out. Like right here, I have a lot of breakouts, and I haven't been eating. I mean, I've had like 4 hamburgers in the past week, which I know isn't good, but just let me live. But I mean, I have a lot of breakouts here and some here, and I don't know if it's like hormonal or if it was from this mask, but I really think it was from this mask because a lot of the pimples showed up after I did this. So this one is the first mask I had negative things to say about, and I've been getting this subscription since I think January, and yeah, I just did not like this one. This was a no for me. And then the last mask from the May Forever Fresh was the Ebates, I don't know if I said that right, Dual Balancing Moisturizing Mask with Lotus and Dandelion. I really liked this mask. It was very moisturizing. I put this in the fridge, and I did this after I went to the beach, and I just felt like my skin felt really nice and hydrated after I went to the beach and was out in the sun. I know my nose is peeling now, but this did definitely help on the day that I went to the beach. I think it was like a Thursday or whatever, but this really did help just moisturize my skin and add a little bit of moisture back before my skin started to peel on my nose. But yeah, like I said, I really did like this one. Overall, I think May was pretty worth it. I did like 3 out of 4 masks, so I think that's pretty good. So if you didn't see last month's unbagging, basically, I'm like a month behind because of when I signed up for Facetory, if you guys were wondering. They don't have like a set day where they ship out everything, which kind of stinks. I wish they did, but that's life. So in every bag, you just get a card that says what the masks are. So I'm just going to put that there. And then you get a cute little postcard. This one just says, "Busy is being free." Really, really cute. And then we got some really cute summer stickers, which I will probably be using in my planner. Follow me on my second channel where I do a lot of like plan with me videos, so you can see these stickers being used there. They're so, so cute. Oh, I'm so excited to use these. I love stickers. I'm literally a kid. So the June Forever Fresh theme is summer is here. Treat your skin to some of the top sheet masks aimed towards calming, soothing, and balancing your skin. Relax, take a break, and bask in the glory of healthy, dewy, and hydrated skin. This knows what I need. It knows that I just like to sit in the sun. Very excited. The first mask is the Facetory SOS Restoring Mask with Royal Jelly, and this retails for $3.50. Packaging of this is so cute. I love it. So this says, "Say bye to stressed skin. Facetory's SOS Restoring Mask with Royal Jelly is here to save the world of skincare, one complexion at a time. Leave your skin feeling smooth, clear, and dewy." Why we love it. The summertime calls for calming ingredients that will help your skin relax after being under the sun. This sheet mask is infused with a gentle yet invigorating ingredients like royal jelly and aloe barbadensis leaf extracts to help soothe, smooth, and protect. When to use this: sun's out, masks out. Apply the sheet mask after a long day under the sun to help your skin relax and unwind. Guess who's doing this today? Because I was at Six Flags all morning until like 3 o'clock. So definitely gonna use this tonight because my skin needs that, because it was like 93 out today. So I need that extra lovin' on my skin. The next mask is from the Beautiful Factor, and this is the Glow Sponge Hydrating Mask, and this retails for $3. Glow Sponge sounds pretty interesting, so this sounds like it'll be a fun mask. This says, tired and stressed skin. What's that? We only know glowy and healthy skin. With this sheet mask, your skin will be well hydrated and moisturized, giving you the perfect amount of radiance. Why we love it? With 3 layers of voluminous sponge, this super plush sheet mask will immediately disperse skin calming and rejuvenating ingredients into the skin. Why Facetory loves it? It says, with 3 layers of voluminous sponge, this super plush sheet mask will immediately disperse skin calming and rejuvenating ingredients into the skin. The apple extract will help give you a mild exfoliation, while the lactobacillus and camellia sinensis leaf extract will soothe, hydrate, and brighten. The ultimate treatment for hydration right here. And when you should use it is when your skin isn't having it and needs a day off. Treat your skin and relax. So this sounds like a perfect weekend mask, because normally that's when I give my skin some time off. I don't really do my makeup on the weekends or anything, so this will probably be a weekend mask for me. Next up is a mask from Yada, and this is the Brightening Mask Pack, and this retails for $3.50. So we've gotten masks from Yada before, and I really, really did enjoy them. This one says, brighten up your complexion with Yada's Brightening Mask Pack. This mask will make you shine and glow like no other. Packed with ingredients like citrus, it's packed with lime fruit extract and niacinamide. This 100% organic cotton sheet mask is made to give your skin a beautiful and even tone. Lime extract will brighten your complexion, while niacinamide works to provide your skin with hydration. And you should use this when you feel like shocking everyone with your gorgeous complexion and glowy skin. I don't know if I have a really gorgeous complexion, but I'm excited for this mask. It sounds amazing, and I hope it smells good, because I love limes. Like, I love adding my limes to water. I love adding limes to everything. I just love lime. And then the last mask is from Moksha, and this is the Dear Berry mask, and it retails for $3.50. We also got a mask from Moksha, I think that's how you say it, a couple boxes ago too, and I really enjoyed it. So this one says to hydrate, moisturize, and soothe your skin with this nutrient-rich sheet mask. Moksha, I don't know how to say it, Deer Berry Mask will give your skin the comfort it needs after a long summer's day. The sheet mask is packed with strawberry, blueberry, and tomato extract to provide your skin with hydration, oil control, and antioxidant protection. So pretty much everything you need for the summer months. With a smooth and creamy essence, this sheet mask will have your skin looking great and feeling as smooth as silk. And this is a nighttime mask when your skin feels sad and is begging for a boost of moisture, which my skin is always begging for. A boost of moisture. So I'm really excited for this. This one sounds like it might smell good because of all the berry. I'm very excited for all these masks. I just love how all the masks always fit with the theme, and like they're always good for the season or just the month that they're sending out the masks. So I'm really excited to try all these masks. If you guys are interested in signing up or just want to buy any of these masks, I'll have it linked down below in the description box. Everything will be linked down below. Last month's masks and this month's if you are interested in any. And that is it for my Facetory review and unbagging. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. And if you do follow me on all my social media and are subscribed to my channel and leave comments on my videos, you get a chance to get a shout out in my video. Today's shout out is right here. All their info is linked down below, so go check them out. If you guys leave nice comments on my videos, video suggestions, retweet a tweet on Twitter, or just pay attention on my Instagram, because I might just throw out some random captions that say, comment on here for a shout out in next week's video, that gets you entered to get a little shout out in my video. So make sure you're following me on Instagram and Twitter for little entries like that. If you guys have any video suggestions, shout out entry, let me know in the comments down below, or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.